Hey, what's up, Ecash coin holder? What's going on this time, my friend? Is the Ecash coin world price completely pumping up, and I have two surprises for all my Ecash coin holders. So the first surprise is clear on the thumbnail, my friend. Definitely the huge event, the big explosion is coming soon on the 1st November. And the second, my friend, absolutely I'm going to share now, my friend. But kindly, if you are new my channel, click the subscribe button. This is very important because if you subscribe our YouTube channel this time, 15,000, my friend. This is a very huge family, very huge community. 100%. They are all just and only trust on ABS Tech channel. So you will also need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, the Ecash coin price will be increasing, as you can see, my friend, from last all month, but definitely this time they were fails down. So my advice, my opinion is for all my holders to start selling 100%, because 2 or 3 days remaining in this month, my friend, and if you are starting selling, then 100% you will get a profit, because this time you can see 9.31% in last 24 hours the price is decreasing. So why decreasing? Because the holder are starting selling. So I will also notify you to please stop holding this time, urgently sell it and get a good profit and be safe from the loss. And urgently, my friend, when the start at the end of month, my friend, when you starting selling, absolutely you will get a profit. But in the 1st November, urgently buy it, absolutely, because in the event, my friend, the price will, there is a chances to the price will very fastly upward and give you a very good profit. So therefore I will notify you to don't starting selling, my friend, in the 1st November. And my friend, in the 1st November, buy it. I hope, my friend, if you're starting buying in the 1st November, they will make you a millionaire, they will give you a very good profit. And this time, as you can see, my friend, the Ecash coin price, so the Ecash coin price is totally, my friends, dumps down from resistance line, as you can see. And when the coin will dumps down from resistance line, 100%, my friends, they will completely on the loss. They will never wake up from and to get the hit the resistance line. But holders, please starting buying and holding, my friend. If you are long term investor, then hold it. Otherwise, if you are short term investor, urgently sell it. I hope you will get a profit and be safe from the loss. So thanks for watching, Ecash coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope in upcoming time, my friends, the price will more and more increasing. So don't miss this chance, and please, my friends, like video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Please, what's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.